Look, we got a bankruptcy deleted off of Equifax and TransUnion in about 35 days. I'm also gonna pop some more screenshots up here for you just to share some results with y'all. I've had several people reach out to me kind of complaining, saying, hey, what happened to all the results you were posting on YouTube? It is very time consuming. Sometimes I just simply don't have time to get to it. But if y'all will go to my Facebook page and my Instagram page, I post results to those sites every single day. Every once in a while, I might miss a day, but I just don't always have time to make YouTube videos and post the results. So I wanted to hop on here real quick today and make a short video just to show you some of the recent results we've gotten. If y'all have any questions, please let me know, leave them down in the comments. But like I said, if you'll go like and follow my Instagram and Facebook page, it'll be greatly appreciated, and you'll see all of our wonderful results on there. Hope y'all have a great night.